prime factorization, then highest common factor, right? Yes, prime number. Now you know what is prime number, what is composite number, then relatively prime, then next prime factorization. Prime factorization, we have to use only the prime numbers. When we factor the numbers, we have to use the prime numbers only, right? Yes, then finding the HCF also. So HCF means highest common factor. If two numbers are given means how you know now how to find the highest common factor. Yes, just recall how just recall the highest common factor. Okay. Yes. Before that, just watch a video.
Welcome to the magical world of mathematics. A place of wonder where we can learn tips and tricks to help solve the problems of everyday life. Are you ready to discover a new magic trick? Do you remember what a factor is? A factor is a number that we multiply with another number to get a product. In other words, factors are numbers that can be multiplied together to give you a specific number. If I asked, what are the factors of 24, I would be asking, what numbers can we multiply together to give us an answer of 24? So, what would you say? You might say 6 and 4, and you'd be correct, because 6 multiplied by 4 equals 24. That means that 6 and 4 are factors of 24. But you might already know that there are more factors than just 6 and 4, like 8 and 3, and 2 and 12, and don't forget 1 and 24. These are all factors of 24. Speaking of factors, have you heard of a highest common factor? The highest common factor, or HCF, is the biggest common factor that two numbers share. In other words, it is the biggest number that divides both the numbers without leaving any remainder. Let's take the numbers 24 and 40. Before we can find the HCF of these two numbers, we need to figure out their factors first. Here we have two circles. In each circle, we're going to write the factors for each number. Let's start with 24 first. We already went through the factors for this number before, so let's write them in the first circle. 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. Now, let's do 40. Can you think of some factors of 40? We can start with the easiest factors, 1 and 40. You might have also worked out 2 and 20. Any others? We can write down 4 and 10, and also 5 and 8. Now that we have our two circles filled with all the factors of our two numbers, we can begin sorting through them to find the HCF. We can redraw the two circles so that they have a small overlapping area in the middle. This overlapping area will include the common factors that both numbers share. On the outside circles, we will write the factors that are unique to each number. Let's see here. The common factors of 24 and 40 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Once you have found all the common factors that your two numbers share, all that's left to do is find which one is the highest number. This will be your HCF. The biggest number of these is 8, which means 8 is the HCF of 24 and 40. And there you have it. How to find the highest common factor of two numbers. Now it's time for you to hop along and find the highest common factors of other numbers.
you got clear idea about the find the HCF, right? Highest common factor. Yes. Yes. Now we are going to discuss about finding HCF using prime factorization. Okay. Before that you use that composite number also. Here you are going to use only prime numbers. Okay. So finding the HCF using prime factorization. See the first question. Find the HCF of 10 and 25. Okay. So 10 first factors, prime factors we want to find. So 10 prime factors of 10. 10 factors, what are the numbers will come? Factors, see here 10 prime factors. Short division method. 2 how many times? 5 times. Then again 5 how many times? Only 1 time, right? So the prime factors 2 into 5, right? 2 into 5. 2 times 5 is 10, right? Next we are going to find the prime factors 25. 25. So 25 also check here. So which table we can use? Second table we cannot use, right? So third prime, next prime number third. So 3 we cannot use. Next 5, right? Yes. 5 5s are 25. Again fifth table how many times? 1 time. So the prime factors 5 into 5. Right? Yes. Now you can see here the highest common factor. Highest common factor equal to the highest common factor is what? 5 only. Right? Yes. So you can write the answer here. The highest common factor, prime factor is 5. So both number 10 and 25, the highest common factor is 5 only. Understand? Yes. Next example. See here the second example. Find the HCF of 8, 12 and 24. Here also you are going to use the prime number only, right? Yes. So first prime factors of 8. Okay. 8 prime factor. So finding first 8. Table we can use second table, right? Yes. 2 4 times. Again 2 times. Again 2 1 time, right? So prime factor 2 into 2 into 2, right? Next 12. 12. 2 second table 6 times 2 12. Again second table 3 times. Third table 1 time, right? So 12 prime factors 2 into 3, right? 2 into 2 into 3. Next 24. Here 3 numbers are given. Okay. 24 second table 12 times. Again second table 6 times. Again second table 3 times. Then third table 1 time. Right? So here the 12 factors. Sorry, 24 factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. See here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Right? Yes. Now we can find the common factor. Common numbers here. 2 is common. Here also. So HCF is highest common factor. 2 into 2. 2 times 2 is how much? 4. Right? 2 times 2 is 4. So this is the highest common factor of these three numbers 8, 12 and 24. Do you understand? Yes. One more example. See, find the HCF of 12, 15 and 13. Okay. So first we are going to find 12 prime factor. 12 factors are here second table 6 times, second table 3 times, third table 1 time. Right? Yes. So factors 2 into 3. Right? Yes. Next 15. 15 common factor, sorry, prime factors. Fifth table only we can use, right? 3 times. Third table 1 time. Right? Yes. You can use 5 into 3. Understand? 5 into 3. Then 30. 30 prime factors. 30, second table 15 time, then third table 5 time, again for fifth table 1 time, right? Yes, so here 2 into 3 into 5, right? So here you can see the common factor. Common factor is here 2, here 2 is not available, right? Then 5, here these two numbers, there is a factor of 15 and 30, but 12 is not there. So which number is now common? So the common number is 3 only, right? Highest common number 3, right? So here you can write the HC of highest common factor equal to 3. Prime factor. Do you understand now? Yes. Now we are going to do the activity, okay? Yes, let's do an activity, prime factorization. Let's start. Yes, match the numbers on the left with their prime factors on the right side. Here prime factors are here, the numbers are here, okay? Yes. First we are going to multiply these numbers, then we will get if you are multiplying the prime factors, then we will get the numbers, okay? Yes. So 7 times 2 are 14. 14 times 2 are 28. 28 times 2 are 56. So 56, where is it? Here. 56. Then prime factors, this is the number, right? Yes. Next you check 7 times 3 are 21. 21 times 3 are 63, right? Where is 63? Here. So that is the fact. 63 factors are 3 into 3 into 7, right? Yes. Next number 7 times 5 are 35. 35 times 2 are 70, right? Where is 70? Yes, here. 70 factors. Next 3 times 2 are 6. 6 times 2 are 12. 12 here. Then 45 here. Understand? Yes. Next number, see here the first number 7 times 3 are 21, right? 21 times 3 are, 21 times 2 are how much? 42. 42 times 2 are how much? 84. So 84 is your 84, right? Yes. Next 13 times 2 are 26, right? 26 times 2 are 52. Yes, here 52. Same answer. Then 3 times 3 are 9. 9 times 2 are 18. Here 18 factors. Then 7 times 3 are 21. 21 times 2 are 42. Then here 5 times 3 are 15. 15 times 2 are 30. 30 times 2 are 60. 60 factors. Right? Yes. Submit. Next. See here. 7 times 7 are how much? 49 will come, right? 49. Then 49 times 2 are 98 will come. So 98 is, yeah, 98 factors. Then 5 times 2 are 10. 10 times 2 are 20. So 20 is factors, right? Next 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 times 2 are how much? 36. 36 times 2 are how much? 72. Where is 72? Here. Right. Next 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 times 2 are 32. So the factors 32. Then the answer. Right? You have to solve it. All answers are correct. Right? Yes. Next. That's all. Yes. So okay children. So your homework is exercise 4.4. Question number 1 and 2. Please try to complete that questions exercise. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Okay children? Okay. Thank you.